Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 1st to the 7th. Lots of very solid deals in this ad, and as the week progresses, we'll obviously be making more videos for deals and steals with the different rebate apps. Now in this Sunday's newspaper, we're going to be getting a August P&G, so keep an eye out for that one. And also on Sunday, load all of your digital manufacturers from your Walgreens account, just so you can participate in these deals. All right, so last Wednesday I received this on one of my accounts, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. I believe there was also like a $10 back when you spend $50. These are always sporadic. Again, find this in your digital coupons folder of your Walgreens account. It is valid from the 1st to the 7th. It is of a one-time use. Even if the booster is still in your account, it's a one-time. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, cash bills. Do not use store register rewards or IVC coupons or Walgreens cash, or you will not earn the booster. Just to note that, hard and fast rules here. Alrighty guys, so 2 for $4 for the Purex, for the crystals, the liquid, and the packs. The crystals specifically are usually $5.99 at most stores, so 2 for $4 or $2 each. That is a really good deal. If you had a store register reward you wanted to throw in, or some Walgreens cash, I mean, get it on the cheap. This is a really great product, especially for like towels and that sort of stuff, those crystals. This little deal, $4.99 for any of these products. I think the Tide liquid is included. $6 register reward when you buy 4. So obviously grabbing 4 of them. The last time they didn't give us a digital coupon for the Tide, so I'm not even going to try to guesstimate or factor anything when nothing's even written. I would throw in that $10 register reward from last week. If you did the Tide deal, pay $9.96, get back your $6 register reward. Any digitals we might have on Sunday for the paper products or the Tide, obviously that'll sweeten the deal, but they're being very vague in this flyer, so that's how it is. And if you might have a little bit of Walgreens cash that you want to throw towards this, by all means, go for it. I know that in the August P&G, they usually have a $2 coupon for both the Tide Pod and liquid. If you might get an insert with those coupons, that might be a deal for you. This little deal, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. This is a month-long deal. The Colgate is totally free. The Tresemme is cheap. And the Olay, well, we're going to get creative with a deal for that one. So the first one we're going to look at is the Tresemme. It's $4.99. We're going to have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, like hi. And then you're getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, 99 cents each. I would definitely get the hairspray because that's always the greatest hairspray. Grabbing 2 of these for $9.98. Subtracting the 4 off of 2, you're paying $5.98, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents each. If you want to use some Walgreens cash, if you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Okay, so if you might have this booster, let's just look at this a different way. So we're going to grab 2 different items off of the buy 2, get $4 of Walgreens cash. And last week it was with the Crest products and that was working. So it'll work for this one. We're going to grab 2 of the Colgates and then we're going to grab 3 of the Olay body washes. And then we have a 5 off of 3 digital. So here's the math, guys. 2 of the Colgates is 8. 3 of the Olays is 18. The third one will bring up for $6, guys. So your total here is $26. We have our booster loaded. We have $9 of digital manufacturers, the 5 off of 3 and the $4. You're paying $17 out of pocket, cash, bills, debit card, credit card, that sort of thing, because we're doing a deal with a booster here. And then we're getting back $13 in Walgreens cash, 8 for the 2 different promotions, and then 5 for the booster. So it makes it $4 for the 5 items or 80 cents per. Remember not to use your Walgreens cash or store register rewards as we're using a booster for this one. Okay, now let's just say you want to do the toothpaste on its own. You're like, that Olay deal, not for me. I just want to get the toothpaste. So for this one, we're going to grab 2 of them for $8 on the nose. Subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital, that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're paying 4 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, you can spend it to earn it for this scenario. Okay, so this one is kind of interesting and a lot of moving parts to it. We're going to have to wait and see on Sunday how this one is going to play out because there's an element to fetch rewards and then some offers that are giving back really good Walgreens cash. So if you look, it says when a $10 gift card when you spend $30 on participating Unilever brands with the Fetch Rewards app. And it won't show on the Fetch Rewards app until you photograph your receipt on Sunday morning, and that is the start date for this promotion. So for a lot of you who are like, well, can I photograph my receipt from last week? No, it's probably going to have to be products purchased on the 1st of August. Okay, so this deal is kind of somewhat in theory right now because it has to be tested on Sunday morning. It is to grab 3 of these Nexus products, and I'm looking at this one as a curbside pickup as well, so I'm going to have to get my butt into the store to get a paper receipt. And online, it's $7.19. It was $8 a couple days ago. We're going to grab 3 of these to make it to $20 and some change. In store, this stuff is a lot more. And then we have these digitals that include a 5 off and then an 8 off a 2. If you can't find your digital coupons in your phone, check on a desktop computer. And then we're going to grab 2 Shea Moisture conditioners around that $8.69 point. And we're going to having a 5 off of 2 digital starting on Sunday. Okay, guys, so let's take a quick peek at the mathematics for this little dealio. Again, I'm looking at curbside prices because it's cheaper than in store. Grabbing 3 of those Nexus shampoos at $7.19, that's $21.57. 2 Shea Moisture products on a BOGO 50% off is $13.03. So the total now is $34.60. We have $18 of digital manufacturers coming off. And we're going to pay $16.60 to our debit card, credit card, that sort of a thing, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for the promotion for the Nexus of spend 20, get back 10. Now, if I throw in my booster of spend 20, get back 5, it would be $1.60 for all of this magic. However, however you want to slice it or dice it, but that would make it even better. Now, to get that $10 back from Fetch, I'm curious if it's going to track the full $30 or is it going to bring it down to $16.60. So we're going to have to wait and see how that one shakes out on Sunday morning, and we will not know till Sunday morning. Remember not to use your Walgreens cash or store register rewards with this one, as it is a spend offer with the Nexus, and if you throw in a booster, also a spend offer. Okay, so the Gain products are 4 for $16. I'm not sure if there's any digitals that'll be cropping up on Sunday morning, but we'll have to keep an eye out for that. But if you grab 4 of them for $16 and say you have a $10 register reward and a $5 store coupon, throw both of those together, pay $1 out of pocket, or if you want to throw some Walgreens cash into this, this might be a deal for you. Obviously, if there's some digital coupons for the Gain, that would be a lot better, but just rolling some register rewards. I have one that's expiring soon, so I'm gonna have to figure something out like on Sunday because I think it's expiring on the 2nd or 3rd of August, so I gotta find a deal quick. Okay, so now the Viva and Cottonelle for $4.99. This is a really good stock up price, especially prices are supposed to be jumping quite a bit starting this fall for all these paper products. So anyhow, for the Cottonelle specifically, there's this IVC that's attaching to the mega rolls. Load it digitally or scan it from the book. So grabbing one for $4.99, subtracting that $1, you're paying $3.99. You can use your Walgreens cash, or if you might have a register reward to cover it, by all means go for it, but it just makes it really cheap. All right, so these little soft soaps are in a BOGO 50% off, and it is the 7.5 or 11 ounces, and there's also going to be a 75-cent digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. Buy 4, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So grabbing 4 of these at $1.99, remember BOGO 50% off, that's $5.97. Subtracting that 75-cent digital coupon, you're paying $5.22, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash. It shakes it out to $1.22 for the 4 or 30 cents each. And if you wish to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay for this one, you can spend it to earn it because it's a buy scenario. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Well, the last couple of weeks, it's been very chintzy for back to school. They're finally bringing it. The Sharpies are 49 cents. A bag of Paper Mates is 49 cents. I would try and grab 10 and use $5 in Walgreens cash and laugh like all the way to your car, especially if you have kids in school. The Elmer's glue and glue sticks, 49 cents. The scissors, those are really good scissors, especially if you're a couponer, you need that in your purse for 99 cents. High, really good price point. And then we have these little eraser caps and index cards also for 49 cents. So if you wanted to grab like say 10 items, for $5 in Walgreens cash, just, use it. That would be a really smart thing to do, especially if you need school supplies in your household. Okay, so now we have the Arm & Hammer for 99 cents. This is typically like $1.99 at most stores. So they're dropping $1 off. That is a really great price point for this deodorant. Okay, so the L'Oreal, Elvive, and Garnier line, basically this shakes out to $1.50 after IVC and digital coupons for both the Elvive and the Garnier Fructis. So $1.50 per shampoo. I do not like paying that. I mean, if you have some register rewards that are expiring, maybe this is something you might want to consider throwing in. But I remember when we used to get this stuff for free with Beauty Club, but I just, $1.50, I'm not impressed. But if you need it and it's your favorite thing, by all means, $1.50 might be a stock up price for you. Now, this is really interesting. This company, Branches or Branches, whatever it's called. I always want to call it Branches. They have a variety of candy corn. They have turkey dinner, apple pie, and coffee. So they're pretty much giving you the whole meal in a candy corn. If you're a reseller on eBay, Amazon, whatever, 2 for $5. These sell out very quickly, and then closer to Thanksgiving, they sell for quite a bit of money. Or if you wanted to buy this as a gag gift, I will definitely be on the lookout for this one because I'm very curious about it. Last year, it took me like 3 months to track down one bag because it was selling out so quickly here. I think people love their gag gifts around here. But be on the lookout for this because this is one of those products. Okay, the soda deal for the week is on the 7-Up, Canada Dry, A&W, Those Good Products, 3 for $8.99. The Ajax Suavitel That Good Stuff, $1.99. There's a 50-cent digital that will be showing up on Sunday morning, dropping it down to $1.49. And the last deal that we have is the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand. Buy one, get 2 for free. So you'll pay $2.79 for the first, the other 2 are free. It basically shakes it out to 93 cents per, which is a really great price point. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!